Charis Williams. I'm an artist, designer and fabricator and member of the ESAB elite team of welding influencers. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Mercedes of light industrial welding systems, the Rebel EMP 205 IC AC/DC. For those of you who want it all, for those of you who want to weld steel, stainless and aluminium, this is your welder. It has outputs for MIG, MAG, flux cord, MMA and AC and DC TIG, giving a huge range of flexibility for light fabrication, repair, maintenance, garages and schools. What really sets this Rebel apart is the AC TIG output for aluminium. If you look at the level of control capabilities, they are equal to that of a full industrial system. Let's start with AC wave balance control. Adjust one way, add more cleaning action, or adjust the other way to increase penetration. My favourite control is the AC frequency control, which can be adjusted from 25 all the way up to 400 Hertz. Frequency control is like the nozzle on a fire hose. It lets you focus the arc to direct the energy right where you want it. Next, you have amplitude control, and this one lets you take energy off the tungsten and put it where you want it into the work. As a result, you can use a smaller tungsten for more precise beads. Rebel doesn't skimp on DC TIG controls either, such as pulse between a peak and background current at rates up output 500 times a second. Pulsing gives you good fusion, but with a lower heat input to prevent burn through or warping, especially on stainless steel. ESAB designed the 205 with TIG in mind, so that means it has a high frequency arc start function, which you need for aluminium. It also has dual solenoid valves, so you can switch between 100% argon for TIG and the gases used for MIG, MAG. There's no fussing about to remove torches or disconnecting gas lines. ESAB added all these TIG functions and more without sacrificing any aspect of performance. As far as top output, that varies by process. With TIG, it goes up to 205 amps, which is enough to weld 6mm material. With MIG-MAG, the maximum output is 235 amps, which really hits the sweet spot for welding with 0.8 to 1mm wires, but it can handle up to 1.2mm wires as well. For MMA, you get 180 amps, and that's good for electrodes up to 4mm. The proof with any unit is in its welding output, and all I have to say is that if you weld with a Rebel 205, you will want to take it home with you.